How to fix your device has been banned in Litmatch app. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a specific way for you to fix your device has been banned on using Litmatch application. So once your account has been banned or your device, you will automatically be back into their login page. So all you have to do is to open up your preferred web browser on your mobile device. Now from the box, simply type in Litmatch support and then choose on the first result that will redirect you into their official website. Then here, there is no option to coordinate with one of their customer service via live chat or via call. So all I have to do is to tap on the three lines at the top right and then choose on about and then choose on contact us. So these are all the request type in the first box. And the second box is going to be the solution or the resolution. So say if your Litmatch account has been banned by mistake, there are the specific country or region that has its own designated domain or email address. So simply copy it and paste it on the email that you're using and send them a request or an appeal that your device has been banned by mistake. And that's how you fix your device has been banned in Litmatch app.